Human resources is undergoing a transformation as artificial intelligence steps in to make your work more efficient and engaging. In our course AI for Human Resources Managers, you learn how to harness AI not to replace your skills but to amplify your influence. Imagine automating routine tasks and making smarter hiring decisions while freeing up time to focus on your people and your strategy. This course breaks down complex AI ideas into easy-to-follow video lessons, practical prompts, and hands-on tools that work directly for you in recruitment, onboarding, employee engagement, and performance management. You will gain access to not only dynamic video modules, but also curated eBooks, detailed guides, and flexible audiobooks that let you learn anywhere at your own pace. And there is more to it. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With monthly updates keeping you on the edge of the latest developments, you remain ready to integrate powerful AI tools that smooth out tedious tasks and position you as a strategic partner in your company. By embracing and mastering these practical AI strategies, you equip yourself with the right mindset to lead your team into a progressive future. All AI for Human Resources Managers training courses can be found on CompleteAItraining.com.